Installing Superflow with React is super easy. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can install Superflow on a React app. First, go to the onboarding flow and click on Install Code Snippet yourself. Then, since we're setting up a React app, click on npm. After that, enter the URL where you will be deploying your Superflow app. Additionally, be sure to enter localhost as a staging environment. We'll then be given a couple of instructions to follow. So I'm now going to be going to my VS Code where I have a fresh Create React App project loaded. I'm then going to be copying the first code snippet, which is to install the Superflow package. If I go into my terminal, I can install the package. Next, I'm going to be copying the second code snippet, which is to import Superflow to the root level of my app. Back in my React project, the root is going to be at source and then app.js. So I'll be importing that snippet at the top. Lastly, I'll be copying the initialization script for Superflow. Back in my React app, I'm going to be pasting this within a useEffect hook. So first, I'm going to import useEffect from a React, and then I'm going to be setting up that useEffect hook. And then I'll be pasting in that initialization script. And that's it. So now if I save and type npm stars, I can now see the boilerplate React app launched with the Superflow toolbar in the corner. Make sure you have review equals true at the top of the URL, otherwise the toolbar will not show. So now that I have Superflow installed, what can I do? Well, I can leave a comment on any element on the page. I can also highlight text and leave a comment that way. And lastly, I can highlight a section of the page and leave a comment that way. And that is how you install Superflow with React.